abagakwererwa AMAMOCHO ali amobwateraneti gati yabo kogenda mamincha nerichiko ase obwanchera ebikaro agokorekana isiko yebunge ye county ya Kisii. Ebikaro ebyo mbiri bibwateraneti aba MC ababete bakweungolia nabo igokorosia bunge la mashinani.
His Excellency Governor Amos Nyaribo consistently and deliberately supported and engaged with gatherings of unlawful, illegal and unconstitutional bunge mashinani, which conducted its meetings from October 31st, 2024 up to June 2025 in locations away from the lawful and official gazetted premises of County Assembly and without lawful appointment. 7. Further, the Governor made public pronouncements declaring Enoch Ogori Okero and Silvanus Ndemo Nyamora as the legitimate Speaker and Clerk, respectively, while aware that Enoch Ogori Okero was duly impeached. 8. The Governor's actions to formally engage, endorse, and support unlawful, illegal, and unconstitutional bunge mashinani directly undermined the legislative representation and oversight role of the County Assembly of Nyamira as established by the Constitution of Kenya 2010 and County Governments Act 2012, thereby constituting a gross violation of the rule of law and the principle of separation of powers. Allegation 2, gross violation of the Constitution of Kenya 2010 and the County Government Act 2012 and the Public Finance Management Act 2012 by assenting to the Nyamira County Supplementary Appropriation Bill 2024 without the approval of the County Assembly of Nyamira. Whereas Article 175A of the Constitution of Kenya 2010 requires that the county government shall be based on the democratic principles and separation of powers, whereas Article 185(1) of the Constitution of Kenya 2010 states that the legislative authority of a county is vested in and exercised by its county assembly, whereas Article 224 of the Constitution of Kenya 2010 states that on the basis of the Division of Revenue Bill passed by Parliament under Article 218, each county government shall prepare and adopt its own annual budget and appropriation bill in the form and according to the procedure prescribed in an Act of Parliament, whereas Section 21, subsection 1 of the County Governments Act 2012 requires that the County Assembly shall exercise its legislative power through bills passed by the County Assembly and assented to by the Governor, whereas Section 130 of the Public Finance Management Act 2012 provides for the procedures of processing a county budget, including transmission from the county executive to the county assembly for consideration and approval. 1. The Governor on 26 November 2024 assented to the Nyamira County Supplementary Appropriation Bill 2024 without the approval of the County Assembly of Nyamira